Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to watch Fox News on Roku in 2025. Whether you want to stay updated with breaking news or political analysis, this guide will help you access Fox News easily. Let's get started. 1. Turn on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku device is connected to your TV and the internet. Press the home button on your Roku remote. 2. Access the Roku channel store. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open the Roku Channel Store. Use the search bar to type Fox News. 3. Install the Fox News channel. Select Fox News channel from the search results. Click Add Channel and wait for the installation to complete. 4. Open the Fox News app. Return to the Roku home screen and find the Fox News app in your channel list. Click to open the app. 5. Sign in or activate your subscription. If you have a cable or streaming subscription that includes Fox News, select Sign In. A code will appear on your screen. Visit foxnews.com/connect on your phone or computer and enter the code. Log in with your TV provider credentials. 6. Watch live or on-demand content. Once activated, you can watch Fox News Live or browse on-demand news clips and shows. Alternative options. If you don't have a cable subscription, you can stream Fox News on YouTube TV, Hulu plus Live TV, Sling TV, or Fubo TV through your Roku. And that's it. You're now ready to watch Fox News on Roku in 2025. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.